Morning, dear students. In the previous session, we had a discussion about a chapter that is Introduction to Boolean Algebra. Introduction to Boolean Algebra. So, what we have discussed in the previous session, that we are going to recall now for 2 minutes. What I told that Boolean algebra. So, algebra in the sense, performing operation. What it is? Performing an operation. Just take it like that. Okay, so we are performing some operations on binary values. So algebra in the sense performing operation that on binary numbers in the sense zeros and ones. Here 0 will be considered as false, 1 will be considered as true. That's why the operation, that is the algebra applied on the binary number, is called as a Boolean algebra. The algebra which is applied on the binary number is called as a Boolean algebra. This bool word is taken from the mathematician George Boole. So this is what our introduction to definition. So जो भी algebra binary numbers पे कर रहे हैं, उस algebra को हम लोग Boolean algebra कह रहे हैं. So this Boolean में Boole word George Boole, mathematician George Boole से लिया गया है, derived from the George Boole. Okay, so this is what a thing. We had a discussion in the introduction part. Yes. Apart from this, we had studied some points here, which are more important to understand. So, as we know that BA in the sense Boolean algebra. Okay, BA in the sense Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra is having a two variables. One is true and another one is false. So false represented as 0, true is representation of 1. False is a representation of 0 and true is a representation of 1. So it is what my first point to understand. There are two variables in a Boolean algebra. One is true, another one is false. Okay, we had a next discussion that if a statement a not equal to 0, suppose a value is 10, so 10 not equal to 0, this is a statement. This is considered as a statement. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, we'll consider it as a statement. So which is returning what kind of answer? A is equal to 10, other 10 not equal to 0, whether yes or no, the answer is represented as true or false. Okay, whether it is true or false. 10 not equal to 0, it is true. Okay, so the statement, this is what a statement, जो भी statement, the statement which determine true and false, it is called as logical statement. What it is called as? It is called as logical statement, and it may be considered as truth. It is also named as truth function. We can represent it as truth function. Okay, so the result true and false are called as truth values. What it is? Truth values. This is a truth function, and the result which is returned by this statement, is in the true or false, which are called as truth values. So this is what a discussion we had in the previous session. Yes. We were discussing about the truth table. I will represent it as T and T. TT in the sense truth table. Let us understand this point. Let us understand this point thoroughly. Okay. So what do you mean by the table? The table in the sense which consists of rows and columns. The particular thing which is a combination of column and rows is known as a table. What do you mean by the truth? The truth values are two there. ಎರಡು truth values are. One is true, another one is false, as you learned in the previous section. Okay, the table which contains the columns and rows and values in the form of true and false. Do you getting? Truth table in the sense it is a combination of rows and columns. In that rows and columns, the values will be stored in the form of true and false. True and false. Let us have the combination. How you are going to represent the truth table? So if it is a not table, not itandre, if value is true, the result will be false. If value is false, the result will be true. See here, this is a table. This is the table. This is a table which contains the values, that is truth values. That's why it is called as a truth table. That's why it is called as a truth table. Okay, sir, we got this one. We got this one. This is a truth table of not. This is a truth table of not. Okay. Now, guys, okay, our next topic is logical operators. Yes, sir. Now we will divide the things. Let us understand this word first. Leave the logic, apply the operators. Yes, what do you mean by the operator? Operator is a symbol, sir. As we learned, operator is a symbol. Yes, which will perform some task. Yes. Let us understand, operator is a symbol which represent a particular task. Okay. What is the logic? The logical in the sense which is not an arithmetic, means there is not happening like addition, subtraction and all the things. Here may appear comparisons. जो भी लॉजिक का ऑपरेशन हो रहा है उसको हम लोग लॉजिकल कहते हैं. जो भी सिंबल दिस लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन में यूज होता है उसको हम लोग ऑपरेटर्स कहते हैं, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स कहते हैं. ओके. So there are majorly we are going to discuss in this logical operator. One is not, another one is or, and the last one is and. So in the logical operator, there are three operators comes. One is not, or, and. Okay. Not in the sense inverse. Not in the sense inverse. What do you mean by the not, sir? Okay. If a value is 0, assume that a value is 0 initially. If I apply this not operator to this, if I apply not operator to a, the value becomes the inverse of 0. Inverse under ulta. 0 the ulta hai 1, or 0 the opposite in 1. Not in the sense opposite values. Very good. We got this one, sir. So I'll clear this and I will continue with the not. I'll continue with the not. Yes, sir. The not operator is a unary operator. First ಏನಿದೆ ನಂದ unary operator. It is a unary operator. What do you mean by the unary operator, sir? We learned in the first PUC, but they're not getting. Can you just able to remember that one? Joby operator, operator in the sense symbol. The symbol which is operated with a single operand. Oh, we got that, sir. If A is an operand, if A is an operand, if any symbol operated with this single operand, that operator is known as a unary operator. ಒಂದ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವೇನ್ರ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಆ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಯೂನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಯೂನರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿಂಗಲ್. ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಯೂನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Yes, sir. We got this one. So not always deal with the single operand ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್? Not is a unary operator. Not andra ulta I, inverse I. Not will be represented in the form of inverse I. Okay, sir, we got that one. Or we may represent it as complementation. What we may represent it as? Complementation. Yes, sir. Idu programming olag not symbol. Inverse I is used in a programming, but here the bar is used to represent the not. Here the bar is used to represent a not. What kind of a things? Okay, sir. Let us discuss by taking an example. As I told, I will take x value is 0. X value is 0. What about a x bar value? If I am applying the not, it is the bar is going to represent a not. If it is a not, I told that zero's opposite value will be applied to not. What is a zero's opposite value? 1. Very good. If suppose x value is 1, what is the x bar value? If x value is 1, what is the x bar value? Very good. That is 0. So can you able to frame the truth table for this? Always 1 in the sense true, 0 in the sense false. So 1 and 0 are truth values. 1 and 0 are truth values. Am I right? So can I apply a truth table for this? Let us have the discussion. First, I will consider x and x bar, 0 and 1. My dear students, if x is 0, what is the x bar value? If x is 0, what is the x bar value? That is 1. If x is 1, what is the x bar value? That is 0. So this is what a not operator. This is what a not operator. What is the symbol used for not? That is bar. That is bar. Yes. Do you got this one? Yes. Yes, my dear students. We'll start with the or here. We'll start with the or. So or is also a operator. Or is also a operator. Which kind of operator it is? It is a binary operator. Why it is a binary operator, sir? Because the operator will be applied to two operands. It may be a and b, x and y. anything. So two operands are related to this operator. Operator is a symbol. Okay, which kind of operator here it is going to use, sir? Plus operator. In the sense, or is going to represent the addition kind of a things. Okay, we are going to use a symbol operator plus here. Operator plus. So it is applied to two operands. Hence it is called as a binary operator. Okay. So जो भी operation, the operation performed by the or, जो भी ऑपरेशन और से हो रहा है उसको हम लोग एडिशन नहीं बोल सकते, उसको हम लॉजिकल एडिशन बोल सकते हैं. See here, we are adding the values, but in the form of logic. In the form of logic, that is, we are adding a true and false. We are dealing with the combination of true and false. Who are the logical values? Logical values जो ते operation ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ, which kind of operation we are doing? Addition operation. So that's why it is considered as logical addition. It is considered as logical addition. So or will be represented in the manner of plus. Yes, sir. And we can x plus y will be represented as x or y. So it is nothing but a x plus y. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೂ represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು and ಈ ತರನು represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay. So can we apply the truth table for this one, sir? So let us have the truth table and discuss it. So truth table. So here combination comes here. Here combination. So what kind of a combination? If it is a x and if it is a y, so it is 0 0 1 1, it is 0 and it is 1, and it is 0, it is 1. So we'll have the operation here. We will have the operation here, x plus y. Okay, how many operands are there? How many operands are there? Two operands, sir. How many operands are there? Two operands. So operands will be squared. Operands will be squared. 2 into 2, 4. That is what a combination here. If operands are 2, that will be squared. The operands will be squared. The values will be 4. The values, combination of the values will be 4. So this is how the values combination came here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್? ಆಗಾಳೆ ಎರಡು ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 0 and 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ದ operands, that will get a number of combinations. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಥರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ, we are adding the two logical values. 0 will be added with the 0, that results the 0. 0 will be added with the 0, that results the 0. Very good. 0 will be added with the 1, that results the 1. 1 will be added with the 0, that results a 1. 1 will be added with a 1, that results a 0. In the sense, if the both values are false, the result will be false. If either one of the value is false, one of the value is true, the result will be true. The same thing, if one value is true, another value is false, the results will be true. If both the values are true, the result will be true. Where? At what time? At the performance of OR operator. At the performing the OR operator. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು OR operator ನ perform ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ time ಒಳಗಡೆ this kind of things will happen. Okay. Okay. By completing this, we will move to the another operator, which is AND operator, which is a AND operator. Okay, fine, sir. We got this one. And in the sense, totally the operation will be the inverse of OR anta helbodu now. Inverse of OR anta helbodu, or we may consider it as a what we call multiplication, logical multiplication anta consider ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. OR ಅನ್ನ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We'll consider this one as a logical multiplications. Very good. So the operator or the symbol used here is dot. The operation or the operator used in this operation is dot. So in the sense, x dot y, x dot y. So it is also called as a binary because it is working with a two operands. AND operator or AND operation is also a binary operator. Why it is binary operator? Because it is working with a x and y. It may be represented like x and y. ಇದನ್ನ x dot y ಅಂತನೂ represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು and x dot and x and y ಅಂತನೂ represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You can represent in a both manner, which won't affect the result. So can we able to put the truth table, sir? Yes, dear students, you can put the truth table. How, sir? So again, how many operands are there? How many operands are there? Two operands, sir. How many combination will appear here? Combination 2 to the square, that is 4 combinations. 4 combinations. Okay. 0 0 1 1 1 combination, 0 1 0 1 another combination, x and y, x dot y, x dot y. So once again, 0 and 0, that is 0 will be multiplied by 0, that represents a 0. So 0 multiplied by 1, it is a 0. 1 is multiplied with a 0, it is a 0. 1 is multiplied with 1, it is a 1. In the sense, indirectly we are telling that if any other two values are false, the result will be false. If either value false, one value is true, even that time also the value result is false. Same with the if x is true and y is false, then also false. If the both results are true, then only the result will be true. So this is what a logical and operator, that is logical multiplication. This is what a logical multiplication. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. In today's class, we learned what is a Boolean algebra. That is a operation applied on the Boolean values, that is binary values. So that is called as a Boolean algebra. The bool is taken by the George Boole. Boolean word is derived from the mathematician George Boole. So that we learned. Next, there appears two values. One is true and false. True and false. So these are represented as truth values. These two values are represented as truth values. Truth values. The statement, Juby statement, or the statement which represents or which results truth and false value, that is called as a logical statement or a truth function. Logical statement or a truth function. So this we learned, and at most thing we learned the table which consists the values in the form of true and false. Those such kind of tables are called as a truth tables. Next, we learned logical operators like a not, or, and. Not represents if value is true, the opposite result will be false. If the value is false, the opposite result will be true. This is what a not. Or in the sense, logical addition. True and false are added with each other. If the both values are false, the result will be false. If either one is true, the result will be true. If the both values are true, the result will be formed as a true. What about and? And is a logical multiplication. And is a logical multiplication which will result, if the both values are false, the result will be false. If either one is false, the result will be false. If the both values are true, then only the result is true. So this is what today's class. Yes, in tomorrow's class we'll have the evaluation of Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions. What do you mean by the Boolean expressions? So x plus y, f is equal to x plus y. The operands and operator frame the expressions. The combination of operand and operator is known as expression. The expression will be representing the binary numbers. The expression will be represented in the binary number. That's we call as Boolean expression. That's we call it as Boolean expression. This will be discussed in the next class, that is upcoming tomorrow's class. Okay, if you are having any doubts, so just intimate me and just ping me a message. Okay, fine, thank you.